Hi guys, it's Tony coming to you here from All Things Automotive. We got one in here today. We're doing a timing belt on, and I kind of wanted to explain the options that we have here through CarQuest. You can buy these kits. A lot of them you can get just the timing belt itself. Usually not best practice to do it that way. We tend to try to do them with all the pulleys. So this one's the tensioner. This kit actually comes with the water pump. So when you're in these and doing these, it's 6-7 hours worth of labor. It's best option to do new belt, new water pump, and do it as a kit. So just want to let you all know that Subarus have them, Toyotas have them, Aveos have them. There's quite a few vehicles out there that have timing belts. We do have the tools to do them. Like to give you, or like it if you guys give us an opportunity to do them for you. Thanks.